The BN-Link 7-day in-wall digital timer is simple and easy to use. The timer comes with the timer itself, the wall plate, as well as the necessary screws and twist-on wire connectors. Let's get started with wiring. Always have a qualified electrician to install this product. First, cut off the power at the breaker. Uninstall your current switch. Ensure you have a neutral wire in your wall box. For single pole installation, connect the black wire of the timer to the hot wire in the wall box. Connect the red wire of the timer to the load's hot wire. Connect the white wire of the timer to the neutral wire in the wall box. Connect the green wire of the timer to the ground wire in the wall box. Use a wire nut to twist the blue wire for safety. See the instruction manual for other install options such as 3-way or 4-way. Lastly, push the timer in and screw everything in. Turn the power back on at the breaker. Your outlet is now wired. If the screen is blank, dim, or flashing, allow 10 minutes for the battery to charge, and then push the reset button. The screen will begin flashing. Push any button or wait 2 minutes. To set the current time and day, press the Program button and then press the Day button until the correct day is listed at the top. Next, press the Hour button until the correct hour is displayed, and then the Minute button until the correct minute is displayed. Be sure to note if the time is in AM or PM. When the current day and time are set, press one of the 2 unlabeled circle buttons by the Day button to move back to the main screen. To start programming on and off times, tap Program until the screen will display 1 on and Program. Use the Day button to select the days you want the timer to turn on, and the Hour and Minute buttons to select the time of day you want the timer to turn on. Press Program again, and 1 off will be displayed. You will now use the Day, Hour, and Minute buttons to select what day and time you want the timer to turn off. Please note that these programs will not work until you put the timer in auto mode, which we will go over after finishing up with programs. Press Program again to move to setting another schedule. You can create up to 18 on-off programs. Programs cannot overlap. To delete a program, press Clear while on a program. You can press Clear again to restore the program. To delete a program, make sure you then delete the other part. For example, if you delete 2 on, make sure you also delete 2 off as well. Press one of the 2 unlabeled buttons beside the Day button to return to the main screen. Your timer must now be put in auto mode for the programs to work. To do this, hold down one of the unlabeled buttons by the Day button for 5 seconds or longer. The indicator should note it is now in auto mode. Hold the same button again to go back to manual. In manual, the programs will not run. You can press either of these unlabeled buttons to toggle power to the switch off and on manually. If the timer is in auto mode, you can still toggle the timer on and off manually by tapping one of the unlabeled buttons beside the Day button. When you see Auto On, this means that the device will be on until the next programmed off time. When you see Auto Off, this means that the device will be off until the next programmed time. To set random mode, press and hold the Minute button. RND should appear. When the timer is in auto mode and the random function is on, programmed times will be separately postponed by 0 to 30 minutes. Please note that at least 1 on and off program must be scheduled. If you want to set your timer to the daylight saving function, press and hold the Hour button to activate or deactivate daylight saving time mode. This does not change with the year. You will have to toggle on and off as needed. You can close the cover and tap on the cover to toggle the light on and off, and hold it down to switch between auto and manual modes. For further information, check out the included guide. Thanks for choosing BN-Link.